Hello everyone, today we're looking at a Y-Star knife from GearBest. This one's model number is LK5009. If that didn't focus. Black, made in China. What is that? That's probably a serial number or something. Alright, Y-Star. Why no start? Alright, so it was packed in some bubble wrap, so it doesn't get, I don't know. How could it even get destroyed in shipping? No clue. It comes like in a fake leather, I'm pretty sure, pouch that is like super small. And the knife itself is, get out of there, Y-Star. Looks similar to a Surge Bean, doesn't it? I'm pretty sure it's taller. Yeah, it's a bit bigger. But let's see. Y-Star. The knife itself is 440C Y-Star, black G10, and supposedly DC4 titanium. The clip is titanium as well, I'm pretty sure. I had no time to color dye it because I'm pretty sure you have to remove this so you don't burn G10. G10 feels smooth actually, not rough at all. Let's see how well it cuts. 440C supposedly. It's sharp. Yeah, it's sharp. Nah, sharp. Sharp enough. Small knife. I think I paid 12 euros. It's usually on... It was on flash sale, but it's usually like 20, which is an insane price. I'm gonna talk about it later. Y-Star. I told you the pouch is like super small. Maybe it's for your like... use it as a keychain. Put a carabiner or something, put it on your belt, I don't know, but oh my, can it even be removed? Are you kidding me? Yeah, I guess it would wear out, but I'm not sure if this is real leather or just fake, I don't know. You tell me. The outside is plastic, it has a burnt stamp into it, although the stitching is kind of nice. No bad spots. Right. I think you could flip it, but the fact is that the lock, what is it called? You wouldn't even use it on such a small knife like this. Let's see how. Oh my god. Yeah, it's like really stiff. Yeah, I removed the one on my Serge Pachenko. Yay, flippy. And this is too hard. The screws are proprietary as well. Hard to remove. Hard to open it. Pretty nice knife, but this is G10 with just one titanium side and 440C. This is S35VN with all G10. With all titanium, but this is a friction lock, and this is what is it called? Frame lock with ceramic ball bearings inside. It's not that smooth though. And the price for these two are basically the same, so the steel difference is kind of big factor for me. I would rather buy that. This is just a novelty, but it looks nice. Gentleman's folder. If you remove it, just put it in your pocket, have it whenever you want to. It's just too small. Although I knew that when buying, so that's on me. That's your Y-Star LK5009. See you later. GearBest. Goodbye.